Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. For today's video, we are going to cook seasoned duck meat while learning some Korean words. Here are the ingredients: duck meat or orikogi, soy sauce or kanjang, sugar, soltang, garlic, 마늘, green onion or teppa. Put the duck meat in the frying pan. 오리고기를 프라이팬에 넣어주세요. Stir fry the meat. 고기를 볶아주세요. To stir fry is 볶다, and if we are going to use in a sentence, we say 볶아요. Chopsticks are called 젓가락 in Korean. You may use long chopsticks to stir fry the meat. 젓가락으로 고기를 볶아도 돼요. Do you like eating duck meat? 오리 고기 먹는 것을 좋아하시나요? Duck meat is said to be flavorful and nutrient dense. 오리 고기는 맛있고 영양이 풍부한 음식이라고 합니다. Cut the slices of meat when preparing this for kids. 아이들이 먹을 거면 고기를 잘라주세요. Scissors are called kawi in Korean. Take out the excess oil. 기름을 빼주세요. Add the sliced garlic. 마늘을 넣어주세요. Our body will get protein, calcium, iron, vitamins, and minerals when we eat duck meat. 오리 고기를 먹으면 단백질, 칼슘, 아연, 비타민, 미네랄 등을 섭취하게 됩니다. Now pour the soy sauce little by little. 간장을 조금씩 부어주세요. For this recipe, I used 2 spoonfuls of soy sauce. Mix well. 잘 섞어주세요. Add some sugar. 설탕을 넣어주세요. I used 1 spoonful of sugar. Now it's time to add some green onion. 대파를 넣어주세요. Lastly, add some black pepper. 마지막으로 후추 가루를 넣어주세요. 맛있어요? Mustard. You can try and repeat after us. Number 1, duck meat.
오리고기,
2, sugar.
설탕,
3, soy sauce.
간장,
4, garlic.
마늘,
5, green onion.
대파,
6, black pepper.
후추,
7, stir fry.
볶아요,
8, put or add.
넣어요,
9, frying pan.
프라이팬,
10, nutrient.
영양,
11, rich.
풍부한,
12, delicious.
맛있는,
13, protein.
단백질,
14, calcium.
칼슘,
15, iron.
아연,
16, vitamin.
비타민,
17, mineral.
미네랄,
18, body.
몸,
19, little by little.
조금씩,
20, last.
마지막,